Of course, disciplined diet and regular vigorous exercise are keys to beating belly bloat. But to trim down to your absolute best, sometimes you need just a little bit extra to take your flat stomach from looking good to looking great. Try these tips that will help you not only look your best, but also keep your digestive system working at its best too. Contract your abs from time to time. Throughout the day, every day, periodically engage your abdominal muscles by pulling your belly button in toward your spine for 5 to 10 seconds. You won't get all the benefits of a workout, but you'll keep your abs tight while you're at your desk, running errands, or even just relaxing. Know your yogurt. Yogurts supply added amounts of active cultures, which increase the so-called good bacteria your digestive system needs to function. Good digestion helps keep your stomach from expanding and prevents belly bloat. Plain, non-fat, or low-fat yogurts are best rather than flavored, but you can add your own fresh fruit if you want to sweeten it up a bit. Avoid added salt and sugar in food. Read food labels to see salt, that is sodium, and sugar levels, not just the calorie count. Highly processed, pre-packaged foods tend to be high in sodium, sugar, and artificial sweeteners or flavorings. Preservatives are also added to lengthen shelf life. Preservatives contribute to bloating and make you feel puffed up in the abdominal area. Focus on fiber. Soluble fiber in natural foods takes longer to digest, so you don't feel hungry as quickly, and you're not tempted to grab convenient but unhealthy snacks. Soluble fiber is also great for heart health because it sweeps cholesterol particles out of the body, reducing overall cholesterol levels. Eat slowly and mindfully. This is hard to do sometimes when you're hungry or rushed, but eating quickly and not chewing your food well makes you swallow air, which leads to bloating. Some recent research indicates that eating more slowly may also cause you to eat less. The goal of this video has been to provide quick, basic information about helpful ways to beat belly bloat. But remember, you should always rely only on a doctor or a professional nutritionist for advice related to your health or diet.